Muthiaini wa mwaka wa 2019 nirio hahu ya virus wa murimu wa coronavirus yatambire bururi-ini wa China guku igitiga ikaria China na kihana maithori thutha wa gucungiriria namba nene ya ikuo. Na kuona ino ni virus itairamenyekana wega, thirikari ya China ni ikoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kugeria kuhurana na murimu uyu. Gukinyiria riu virus ya COVID-19 itambite mabũrũri-inĩ matiganĩte ta France, South Korea, USA, Singapore o hamwe na Canada, guku namba ya aria moragitwo ni murimu uyu ikinyiria 2,000. Dariri iria irakuruhanio na murimu uyu ni kuhaya, urugari mukiru mwiri-ini, kuremwo ni kuhihia o hamwe na kununuha, guku igitambio na njira itiganite ta kuhutania na mundu wina virus ino, kugera riera ria mundu ahaya, kuhutia kundu kuri na virus ino na ndwithambe moko, na kuhutia kioro kia mundu uri na virus ino. Thutha wa hahu na Guoya Gutamba Mwena wa Naikuru ati kuri na mundu wina dalili cia murimu wa coronavirus, riu Uhoreru ni ucokereirie thutha wa raia umwe kuma China no ria koretwo keheri-ini thiku 14 guthimwo na kwirikana ndari na dalili cia murimu uyu. Kuringana na riboti ya murugamiriri munene wa ugima wa mwiri Naikuru, muraia uyu akinyire mweri 10 mweri uyu guku akirehwo na uba kuma Nairobi nginya Naikuru.
He arrived from China on 10th February, that is 9 days ago, at 11:30 p.m. and he was driven from Nairobi in an Uber.
Oho ndagitari gicuke ugite muraio ndari na dalili cia murimu uyu, u ni thutha wa guthimwo na kuga thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru ni ibangite kuhurana na murimu uyu na njira itiganite.
And they interviewed him and examined him. First and foremost, he does not have any signs and symptoms, and therefore his condition does not meet the standard case definition for coronavirus. We have trained 200 staff from PGH, Gilgil and Naivasha hospitals on coronavirus, signs and symptoms and the management of the same.
Ngiribotera Mount Kenya TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Njenga wa kwendeka.